Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to mount Google Drive to Google Colab. In today's digital world, where many of us are constantly working with files and data, being able to easily access these resources from anywhere is a huge plus. Whether you're trying to access essential files, organize your data, or execute scripts that rely on documents stored in your Google Drive, integrating Google Drive with Google Colab can make your workflow much more efficient. This connection offers a seamless experience that saves you time and effort, enabling you to focus on what really matters, your projects. So, let's delve into the details of how to set this up step by step. To get started, the first step is to open a new browser tab and navigate to Google Colab. If you're new to this platform, Google Colab is essentially a free Jupyter Notebook environment that operates entirely in the cloud. This means you can work on your projects from anywhere and collaborate with others easily. It's particularly beneficial for tasks involving machine learning or data analysis due to its powerful capabilities and ease of use. Once you reach the Google Colab homepage, you'll be greeted by a welcome screen with several options to start your project. Familiarize yourself with this interface, and then look for the folder icon located on the left-hand side of the Colab environment. This icon plays a crucial role as it opens up the file browser within Google Colab. Clicking on it will reveal a panel displaying your current working directory, along with other options to connect to a cloud service. Now, the next step is to locate the Google Drive icon within this file browser panel. This icon acts as your gateway to directly access your Google Drive files from within your current Colab session. By clicking on this icon, you'll see an option labeled Connect to Google Drive. This is precisely what you need to seamlessly integrate your Google Drive with Colab. At this point, click on the Connect to Google Drive option. Google Colab will then begin the process of linking your Google Drive to the Colab environment. Typically, this involves signing into your Google account if you haven't already done so. It's important to authorize Colab to access your files, which will allow it to read and write data from your drive. Rest assured, this process is completely secure and is a standard practice for accessing cloud-stored data. Once you've granted the necessary permissions, Colab will automatically mount your Google Drive. This means your files will be directly accessible from the notebook interface. You'll notice a drive folder appear inside the file browser on the left panel, indicating that the connection was successful. One important thing to remember is that each time you start a new Colab session, you'll need to repeat this process to remount your drive. Although it might seem like an additional step at first, this ensures the security of your data while still allowing easy access whenever you need it. And there you have it, a straightforward and comprehensive guide to mounting your Google Drive onto Google Colab. By following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly import, export, and manage files within your Colab projects, giving you a powerful toolkit for any data-centric task. That's it for this tutorial on how to mount Google Drive to Google Colab. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.